Hello everyone. Now we'll see about what is direct and indirect speech. So direct speech, it is called as reporting speech. And indirect speech, it is called as reported speech. So this is reporting speech and this is reported speech. See, I am writing. So I'm telling that I'm writing. So that is reporting speech. Now she said that she was writing. That is reported speech. So this is the difference between the reporting and reported speech. If I am telling something means or somebody is telling that she is telling this, that is reporting speech. She told that she was doing that, that is reported speech. Okay, so this is the difference between reporting and reported speech. So before going into this topic, we need to know some key points for changing a direct into an indirect speech. So what are the key points we have to keep in mind is, first thing, kinds of sentences. So what are the kinds of sentences? Which is nothing but statement, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. So these four things are the kinds of sentences which we are using to convert a direct into an indirect speech. Next, change the tenses. So when converting a direct speech into an indirect speech, we have to change the tenses. Thirdly, change the pronouns. Pronouns, we already know that I, we, you, they, he, she, it. So these are the pronouns. So we have to change the pronouns while converting a direct into an indirect speech. Nextly, change the time and place expression. Then use the conjunctions. So main thing, when we are changing a direct into an indirect speech, we have to use the conjunctions. Then remove the quotation marks. So these are the 6 key points you have to keep in mind while converting a direct into an indirect speech. So now, for example, we are going to see one example how we can use. There are some rules for changing direct into an indirect speech. So I'm going to give you some simple rules to change direct into an indirect speech. Okay, let us see in the next thing. So for example, I'll take statement sentence. So here the rule is, in direct speech, if it is given said, you have to write said, and if there is said to means, you have to write told. Here the conjunction you need to use is that. So these are the things you have to keep in mind. So this is the rule when changing a statement sentence. So we'll see one example. The teacher said, I'm going to the class today. So this is direct speech, because here the teacher is saying, the teacher said, I am going to the class today. So it is given in the quotation marks. Okay, so this is in direct speech, this is a reporting speech. So she is saying, she is telling that she is going to the class today. So we are going to convert this sentence into an indirect speech. Here the same thing, because said, in indirect also you have to write said. The teacher said, I am going to the class today. Now this is in present continuous format. So we have to change this term into a past continuous format. Here the pronoun is I. So the teacher. So normally the teacher, it may be he or she. So see, now I am going. So this one is present continuous. You have to change this into a past continuous. She was going to the class. Now the time and day place expression is today. So that you have to take as that day. So that's all. We have changed this direct speech into an indirect speech, which is very easy for you to understand. So now the teacher said she was going to the class that day. So these are the things we have changed from direct to indirect. Thank you.